Hi friends, welcome to Groovy Max. Today we are going to see division of any number divided by a single digit number. How you can solve it orally. Come, let's go get into the video. The sutra which we are going to use for oral division of using single digit divisor is Anurupena, which means proportionately. We are going to solve it proportionately. Okay, let's go to the problem. First sum 385 divided by 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the number 385 and I'm going to divide it by 5. I'm not going to go for the long division method. I'm going to solve it orally. Let's see. First digit is 3. Will 3 be divided divisible by 5? No, 3 is a smaller digit, so it cannot be divided. So I'm going to consider the next digit together. So the number which I'm going to consider is 38. 38 can be divided by 5. It is what we'll get is it is divisible by 5. No, 38 is not divisible by 5, but we can divide it. So if we divide 38 by 5, I can divide it by 7 times, isn't it? 7 5s are, it is 35. 38 minus 35 gives me a remainder of 3. Am I correct? Yes. I'm going to take this 3 to the next digit, tens place, and I'm going to make the next digit as 35. Okay, the 38 which I from the 38 I get a remainder of 3 that will be taken to the next digit, and it will be made as the tens place of the next digit. Okay, now I'm going to divide this 35 by 5. If 35 is divided by 5, same, this 7 times it will be divided. So what will be the answer? So 385, 35 minus 35, remainder is 0. So 385 divided by 5 gives me 77. Okay, come, let's go for the next problem. 28,947 divided by 7. See, first 2 cannot is not divisible by 7, so I'm going to consider 28. 28 divided by 7, it is divisible by 7, so it becomes 4 times it is divisible, so 4. And here it is divisible, so 4 sevens are 28. 28 minus 28, it becomes 0. So next step, do I have to carry over the remainder is 0, so I'll just take the 9 alone. Here 9 divided by the 7. 9 times 7 will go in one time, isn't it? So I will consider 1, but I'll get a remainder of 9 minus 7 is 2. So I will take the 2 to the next digit. It becomes 24. Next digit will become the 24. 24. In how many times 24 will go in 7? Will go for 3 times 21. So 24 will go for 3 times. 7 threes are 21. 24 minus 21 will give me a remainder of 3. Okay, next step is next digit, it becomes the 37. See, now I have a 7. I'm dividing this 37 by 7. How many times it will go? It will go for 5 times. So 7 5s are 35. 37 minus 5, it gives me a remainder of 2. I can take it just like this. The quotient is 4135 and remainder is 2. I can take it just like that. If I need to go for a decimal value as the answer, if I need a decimal value as the answer, what I'll do is I'll go for a decimal point here and I will take a 0. Let me take 3 decimal values. So 1, 2, 3 zeros I'm adding to this number. Yeah, I got a remainder of 2, isn't it? I will take this 2 as the first zeros tens value. So the first decimal value which I'm going to divide becomes the 20. Again in quotient 2, have a decimal point here. Okay, the decimal point comes here, and now the further division which you are going to proceed will be after the decimal value. Okay, okay, 20 divided by 7. 20, how many times it will be divisible? 3 times means it becomes 21, so it is 2 times, so it becomes 2. 20 2 sevens are 14. 20 minus 17 will give 14 gives me 6. So 6 becomes the next digit's 10 digit place. So 60 divided by 7. How many times it will go? 60 divided by 7. 8 times or 9 times? See, 9 sevens are, it becomes 63. So it is not 9 times. 8 sevens are, it is 56. So it is 8 times. Okay. Now 60 minus 56 give me a remainder of 40. I'll take it to the next digit. 40 divided by 7 5 times and a remainder 5. As it is a decimal value, we need not consider about it. We are taking the digits only to 3 decimal places. So the answer is enough. So my answer becomes 28,947 divided by 7 becomes 4,135.285. And remember, the numbers after the decimal point should be spelled as a single digit, not as 285. Okay. Okay, come, let's go for the next problem. Next problem, it is 605876 divided by 8. Okay, come on. 606 is not divisible by 8 because it is a smaller digit, so I'm considering it is a 60. 60 divided by 8, how many times it will go? 7 times it will go. 7 eights are 56. So I have a remainder of 4. I'll take that remainder to the next digit. It becomes 45. 45 divided by 8, how many times it will go? 5 times it will go. 5 eights are 40. In 45, minus 40 gives me a 5 as a reminder. I'll take that reminder to the next digit. 58 again by 8. How many times 58 will be divided in 8? 7 times again, because 7 eights are 56. 58 minus 56 is 2 is the remainder. I'll take that 2 to the next digit. So now this 20, it becomes 27. 27 divided by 8 will gives me 3 times. 3 eights are 24. So 24, 27 minus 24 will become 27 minus 24 will give me a 3. So the next digit will become 36. Okay, 36 divided by 8, it will go for, is it is divisible? No. 36 divided by 8, it is 4 times. So 32. I can take this as 75,734 and a remainder as 4, or I'll go for a decimal value. For decimal value, first I'll add a 0, maximum up to 3 digit decimal. Let's see, I think so it will not go for 3 digits. Come, so here 40 is here. I'll take this 44 here and I'll make it as a 40. 40 divided by 8 will give me 5. As I'm going for decimal value, I have to take the decimal point in the quotient also. I'll take this decimal point in the quotient. So 40 is divisible by 8 in 5 times. Okay, so my answer of 605 1876 divided by 8 gives me 75,734.5. Okay, decimal value, how much digits you need in the decimal value can be decided by you. If you need not want in decimal value, I need a quotient and reminder. In that place, the last value, last reminder what you get is the remainder of that quotient, and the quotient is the same thing which you get it. Okay, you need not continue with the decimal division. Okay, is it clear? Okay, and if you have any doubt, please mail me or comment me. And thanks for watching the video. And if you have not subscribed it, please subscribe. Thank you.